Hello everyone, and welcome to another haul shoe review. This time I thought I would do a pair of Converse that I have owned since January 2009 because I've got the receipt still in there. I paid $90 for it, Australian dollars. I have no idea what that is, and that was back in '09, so it's almost 20 years ago, which is really scary, like 15 years old. So these are special Converse. These were the Red brand, which I believe were sort of a collaboration with artists, and it brought along something to do with change. I don't really know now, but I got them because I really liked them. So there's the bag, and they come in a bag. And let me get them out for you. And here they are. So you can see why I really like them, because they have feathers all over them. They have the red badging of the top eyelet, which means that they're the red. And then they've got the Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star badging on the inside. So that's what they look like. I really like them. I've got them laced up in a special way because I've got high arches, so they are laced for high arches. And they came with a pair of white laces as well, so you could have them as white laces or you could have them as black laces, and of course I've gone for the black laces. So let's have a look at the back of them. There we go, we've got this sort of fun patterning down the back. Got unfortunately the All-Star has come off of that one, but it's still there on that one because I wore them a lot when I first got them. So I really like them. I'm not sure if they fit as comfortably now as they did back then, but it's because I got older and my feet have changed size and shape a little bit. But anyway, I should wear them again and have a look. I'll put them on in a moment and I'll show you what they look like. They also have red inside with the, if you can see it, with the feather. Is it going to focus? It's not going to focus. Anyway, it has a feather on the inside. See, there we go. You can see that there. And it has the label, tells you about the Project Red there for anyone who wants to read it. You can pause it if you want to read it. They're really comfortable, as I said. You know, the only thing I wish Chucks did was have a bit more of a rounded toe, but it's the design they are. They're already quite rounded, so it's just what it is. But yeah, these are my feather Converse, or my feather Chucks, as you like to call them. There's the back, the bottom of them. They're just a plain black base, nothing fancy there. They've just got the usual Chuck style, and they've got the band around the base as well. And it has air holes in the silver, so I always feel really cool when I'm wearing these. Let me put them on and I'll show you what they look like. Before I show you them on, I forgot to mention the sizing. So UK size 7, or a Euro 40, woman size 9 with these ones. And there's the CT100 Feathers High Top, black, white and red. And they're actually made in Indonesia. Well, they were made in Indonesia, with the non-marking outsole. So there's the side of them, just to give you that information. And then here, here they are on. So you can see how I've laced them to ease the arch. They're actually more comfortable than I remember, so that's good. I'm going to put them back into rotation, I think. I really like them. I usually put the lacing, don't go up to the top eyelet, and then I usually run this all the way round my ankle and then tie it back up, because these are very long, so they'd sit like that. And yeah, there we go. There's my Converse. I only have one pair of Converse, and this is them. So yeah, that's what they look like. Short video again today, but I thought you'd be interested to know about my Converse that I own. And there we have it. There we have it. Do. Right. Okay, I will see everyone next time for another pair of shoes. Possibly Fluvogs again. We'll wait and see. But yeah, I hope you have a lovely week, and I'll see you all again next week for the next video. And fly and be free. Okay, everyone. Bye.